Uh, Good afternoon. Yen mata pule fia fa so tuat. Le fia na nei le ata to tala noa e fa to milen fa to pina ye na po o fe tusia ingale a fionga ko vana ia. Benale fionga fonga fitalai male president se nate tu tuila e malo America Samoa tuila manoa. Yeah, ma Swings Island. So, but now tato tala noa. Today we'll be talking about the succession of Matai titles because there's a common misconception, especially hi Auntie Kimmy, especially with the recent bestowing of the Maliatua title. The Maliatua title was bestowed onto the son of the former Maliatua or the former head of state, Maliatua Tanfililua. And so a lot of people were angry because there was it was challenged in court, and so his the official title was not rewarded because of this because the title was challenged, and everyone I read the comments and people were saying he deserves it. It's his father's title, and and that's simply because we are under the mentality of Western colonization, where everything succession goes from father to son, like kings and whatnot. But you see, the Samoan Matai system is different because not only one family is from that Matai title. You see, they have falitama or households or whoever the original Matai title holder was, he has sons, and so all his sons have a chance to get the title after the eldest does. Then it's the next Falitama or the next son's lineage's turn. So for those saying that the son of the current Matai title holder deserves it, that is not certain. The only thing that may be certain is the title of Manaya or Taupo. Now those are given to his children, the current Matai's children. Those are the only things that are certain. But the succession of the title, you cannot say it goes to his son, because no, it goes then to the next household. And so when we understand that, then we should, when we know that, then we should understand that every family, every person in a family has a chance to hold a title. Ole au ne pe na FIFA soat. E yaile mata upulewa tu lai mai. E pe ona yaile sua for ai nga sa malitoa le pe na fa tupu ya fiong le sunga malitoa. Ai fa ai te yai ta te yai nisir ai nga ona ole mafu ang. O fa pea e se fa solo le suafa ona o le tatonunga tatu Samoa e le pe o tu manga fa papalangi e le fa pe a Matai au ona umala i wa po pe mali wa ona Matai la i lo watali e le fa pe na ona fai e fa solo i fa le tama ona tatonunga tatu it's one family. I ona la the mentality for ya le pe o le fa apalangi. Leo kam fai ka ko conform le tato wanga no. Ana ile me leo tato olai demine. And when we do that, when we start to conform our culture to that of a Western influence, is it really still our culture? Is it really still ours? Is it genuinely ours? And so that's just something I wanted to put out there today, so we can ponder on and think about, because I understand. I mean, I've seen it time and time again where people say, after this Matai, his son should get it. That's not how it works in the Samoan family. And if you have any questions, please let me know so we can discuss. And we can talk about it. If there are any other subjects of matter that you would like me to shed some light on, or maybe give my opinion, please let me know. But this subject of the succession of the Matai title is one I thought I should share, because a lot of people don't understand that it doesn't go about from father to son. No, it goes from household to household. Falitama, ilea falitama. Yeah, Oshimanatuna, that's our sharing this afternoon. Tonight, we're going to be talking about the love letters, the love letters between the governor of American Samoa and the Speaker of the House and President of the Senate. You folks have a blessed day.